Hey everybody, AD Jackson 330 here, and today I just filmed a quick overview of some of the projects I've been working on recently. Lots of fun dashboards and bookmarks and pockets, so let's get started. So let's start with some Fox and Pip projects. You guys know how much I love making stagger stacked bookmarks. I started making these last year. It's almost been exactly a year. So I just take the die cuts and in the Silhouette software, kind of rotate them and stagger them like this, stack them on top of each other, and print and cut them out. I do have a tutorial for stagger stacked bookmarks on my profile if you want to check that out. And then after this one printed, I layered it with some of the shiny sparkle paper that Hobby Lobby sells, just for that extra little hint of sparkle. I also combined the sneak peek she sent me of the princess planners with the eyelash, cup, and tin digital art that she sells, and I used that to make this vellum paper. The paper is just from Hobby Lobby. I got the parchment paper and used Silhouette software to lay this out how I wanted and then just printed it out. I also made this dashboard, just printed it out, layered it with some of the sparkle paper, laminated it, cut it out again, and the back is blank, but I plan on using this to hold different sticky notes and things like that. Whenever I slip it in my planner, I may put a pocket or something on the back of it, just to have that in there because it's really cute and I need this all over my planner. And I also made this double-sided pocket. It opens up right here at the top and you can slip whatever you want in there, little stickers or samplers or die cuts, whatever. Slide it into your planner to hold all of that. So for this one, I used the Silhouette software again and then just kind of flipped it vertically, which did mess with the script that's here. Obviously, it reversed that as well. So I used a couple of stickers from the Happy Planner sticker books and one of the Aurora Nap Queen stickers from Fox and Pip, some Simply Gilded tape over here just to cover those different spots up. And I think it looks great. I am excited to use this whenever I do a nap theme setup in my planner. Next up, I have the Princess Planner pocket pages. Name pending, obviously. I used these making some more sneak peeks from Amanda at Fox and Pip. I put it on some cute cardstock, layered on some Simply Gilded washi tape, and some of the clear quote stickers from the Happy Planner. Stuffed in some different stickers on here. So that's the Little Mermaid. Here is the Nap Queen. This one just has dream big, make your dreams happen, different dream quotes for the Nap Queen themed one. And then we have this Jasmine themed one here that just says Messy Bun Getting Stuff Done. I used that one mainly because it matched the foil on the Simply Gilded tape that I used on the top. So that is just another look at the sneak peeks for these. She will be having these and a few more princess planners available soon, so be sure to keep an eye out for that. This vellum sheet is just going to be laminated and stuck into my planner in one of the dashboard areas I have. I used some lettering from the Planner Sophisticate. Jacinia has the most beautiful writing, so had to have that. And then the bows and marble cup from, I believe, last fall's Fox and Pip release that she did digital art. And then this is a freebie that is in her Facebook group. She had it on her Instagram stories. And it does have a marble background that I found just free online. But you can't really see it on the vellum. Didn't really think that one through too well, but I still like the way it came out. And this is the other sheet of vellum that I made, again with Jacinia's handwriting, and then this art from Fox and Pip. And she had the marble background included with that file, so that one shows through just a little bit better than the one I found online did. Next up, I have a Simply Gilded dashboard. I love all these washi dashes I've been seeing on Instagram and in her Facebook group. So I made one and I just put it on the back of this journaling freebie card that came with a My Newest Addiction order. So I have an extra one and this is what they look like together. I thought it'd be really cute for my summer setup. Yeah, I just love these foils and seeing all the different combinations that people are coming up with for this. So pretty. Next up, this is a pocket dashboard that I made using Villa Beautiful supplies from her Cool Vibes kit. This pin loop and pin are both from that kit. I used a wonderful sticker from the Happy Planner, the papers from the Villa Beautiful kit. This vellum is as well. This one is laminated and I messed up the cutting on this one, as you can see. So I just had to layer some Simply Gilded tape on the back which actually matched perfect, this blue and hollow with the blue and hollow that's on the pin loop. And yeah, you can just stick all kinds of different things in here. I had this little hollow shattered glass kind of mermaid from somewhere. I have a very large stash of random things in my room, and it just matched really great. And I added some enamel dots, and the back is this paper. So love using double-sided paper for these. But again, you can use this to stick sticky notes on, add a pocket to, whatever you want. It's just really cute. This is another dashboard I made for summer. I'm loving the blues and neutral theme. I used a free online editor to add the text. The bow background, that is from the January Villa Beautiful kit. I believe this paper clip is from the February kit. The planner itself is from the May Let's Create kit. And the sunglasses and hat are both from the June Cool Vibes kit. So every month Villa Beautiful sends all kinds of matching digital art, digital papers, in an email to everyone who subscribes. So there's just tons of projects and things you can make with those. This is another one I made using digital art from the Cool Vibes kit and a free text editor online. And I also made this one using the free text editor, some background paper from a Villa Beautiful kit, and digital art from Grumpy Bear Sticker Co. Some of these are freebies, some of them are for purchase, but they're all in her shop, so be sure to check that out. And then I snuck in the Villa Beautiful tiny little paper clip as well. This next set of dashboards I made using a set of digital art from Planner Press. So this quote and the pillow were both a quote card in her that's included in the digital dash box she does, and I layered that on top of some pretty paper I found online. This next one is some free digital paper I found online. I love the gold glitter dots. And then the Fashion Girl is from the Planner Press digital box. And then lettering by Jasenia at the Planner Sophisticate. This next one I am really excited about. Whenever Jasenia did her custom names recently, I asked her if it'd be alright for me to have this set of quotes done. It's like my personal motto, totally me. It's on my Instagram, on my YouTube. I just love it so much, and she did it, and it turned out great. I layered it on this really pretty digital paper I found online. It's kind of got gold glitter, and I would love to figure out how to foil this. I think it'd look even prettier foiled, so something I'm going to work on. And this last one, which I love so much, this same quote from Planner Sophisticate, and I added on some digital art from the Me Time kit by Villa Beautiful. I decided not to do any kind of background on this. I know it's a little bit neutral, a little bit minimal, but I love the way it turned out. I think it's simple and cute, and I'm really excited to add this into my planner. These were all so much fun to work on. I've been using the Silhouette software a lot, trying to be creative with the many different digital arts and papers that have taken over the planner community recently. I've had some requests to do tutorials on how I've made them, so I will be working on that. If there's something specific you'd like to see, please let me know in the comments, and check out the description below for links to the shops that were featured in this video. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye!